we're going to be multiplying money. So the best way to do this, in terms of a method that will always work, is just to rename the money amounts as not being money, just their face value digits, and multiply away as we would normally do. So instead of 0.48, we just write down 48. Okay, and it'll be multiplied by 589. So I'm going to put the 589 up here. Actually, I'll move it down a bit. Okay, give us a bit more room. So now we just go through our normal processes of multiplying. So 8 times 9 is 72. 2 goes there. 7 gets carried. 8 times 8 is 64. Plus 7 is 71. So again, carry the tens digit. 8 times 5 is 40. Plus 7 is 47. And we write that down. Okay. So now we're finished with the 8. That's done. That becomes effectively a 0 now. So put a 0 there. 4 times 9, well, that's 36. So units there, tens here. 4 times 8 is 32. Plus 3 is 35. So 5 goes here. 3 gets carried. And 4 times 5 is 20, plus 3 is 23. Okay, now I just have to add the rows. So 2 plus 0, 1 plus 6, 7 plus 5 is 12. So the units digit goes here, the ones digit gets carried over to the next place value. 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 1 is 8, and 2. Okay, so now we look back, we see there are two decimal places in the question. There need to be 2 in the answer as well, so 1, 2 goes here, and money always needs 2 decimal places anyway. Put the unit of measurement at the front, and this becomes the correct answer. If we have a look over the next one, so it just becomes a bit longer, that's all. 1, 0, 0, 5, 0. And you multiply that by 60. Okay, so there are some shortcuts, but I'm going to do it the long way all the time, just because this way works all the time. You don't need to remember anything special. Okay, so the first row, they're all going to be 0. 0 times 0, 0 times 5, 0 times 0, 0 times 0, 0 times 1. Okay, so this is now finished. Hold its place. 6 times 0, 6 times 5 is 30, so the 0 goes there, 3 goes there. 6 times 0 is 0, plus 3 is 3. 6 times 0 is 0, 6 times 1 is 6. So add up all of the rows, we get 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 6. 2 decimal places in the question, 2 in the answer, and put in the units of measurement. And that should be it. Last one over here, we go 2, 5, 1, 0, multiplied by 2, 0, 4. So again, this is going to take a while, but just go through the steps. 4 times 0, that's 0. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 5 is 20, so the 0 goes there, the 2 gets carried. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10. Okay, finish with this guy, put a 0 to hold its place. These are all going to be 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 5, 0, 2. Finish with this guy, hold its place, and hold that guy's place too. We're up to 2 times 0, so 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 5 is 10, so that goes there and carry the 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So add up all of those rows. You get 0, you get 4, you get 0, you get 2, you get 1, and 5. So put in the cents, so 2 decimal places in the question, 2 decimal places in the answer, and put in the units of measurement, and this is now correct.